Hey, good afternoon. This is Peter Reznicek from ShadowTrader.net, and I'm going to show you how to install your new Iceberg tick indicator on thinkorswim. So if you've downloaded the zip file, you've got it here. Just right-click and extract it so that you've got the file there. And when you open it, you'll see it automatically opens right here. You're going to get your thinkscript code right here, which you will open up in the notepad, okay? And just Control A and then Control C to copy it. So now I've copied the whole thing to the clipboard. And then you can go ahead and just close that. You don't need that anymore once it's copied to the clipboard. And then you will go into your thinkorswim platform, and let's just say, where do you want to put it? You want to put it here into your ticks, let's say, okay? So you will click here and maximize this cell just to make it easier on you. And you'll click here to see what scripts you have currently. And then you will create a new script where you will click create. And here we're going to create a new study, and we're going to call it Iceberg tick, let's say 2023 or whatever. Just give it a name, whatever you like. And you'll take this line here and you'll delete it, delete this line, and then you'll Control V and notice that you've pasted all of the code in that you just copied from your clipboard, okay? And if it's copied properly and everything's okay, it'll be purple and white like this. Everything will be okay, and it'll be showing purple and white, okay? And click OK. And now you can search for it here. See how it's Iceberg tick 2023. That's the one you just brought in. It'll show up in the list, and you click Add Selected over here to bring it in. Now you can see I've already got it here. I've already got it, so I'll just delete this one. And we click Apply, and there it is. There's your Iceberg tick. Now, in order to get this to show, to take up the whole screen, which a lot of people think is better, it's very simple. All you have to do is just go into here, click in the chart settings, and in the General tab, uncheck this Show Price Graph, and that will turn off the price graph that's in the top. And now you notice that the ticks are gone, and you only have your Iceberg tick here. You want to set your Iceberg tick to a 1 minute, and there you go. Okay, and obviously I've got the cumulative here, but I can just get rid of that. I can just come in here and I could delete that if I wanted to. And then the only thing I would see, watch if I just delete that, then I have my cumulative tick as the whole thing. So if you have any other scripts in there, obviously you may want to delete them, or it's totally up to you how you want to look at it. But now you've got your Iceberg tick like that, filling up the entire window just like that. All right, very, very easy. Not much else to it.